So as I mentioned in our previous classes, meditation is a purification process. Meditation means self-healing. Everybody have energy. Everybody have breath. With their own breath, with their own efforts, they are healing. We're not depending on anybody. We're just observing our breath. So during this process, we are going to receive more and more energy. With that energy, it heals. First, what this energy do? It removes all the negative things from you, all the bad qualities from you. It creates love in you. It creates compassion in you. So once it happens, the way you're understanding others, the perception and everything change. And this is very simple process. Sitting at your home and observing your natural breath. Many people are experienced. Many people are not taking any medicine. Just buying with your breath. Without any intention, without any thought. So we are every day training our mind to be here in this present moment, emptying the mind. Silencing the mind. So friends, today we will learn a little more about our thoughts. How our thoughts working. In previous session, we discussed our thoughts are our life. If you are having a positive thoughts, your life will be in positive mode. You will be attracting positive things. And you are the creator of your own reality. Everything is in your hands. Very simple. If you go to the school and every day you are listening to the teacher, whatever saying, and you are working and studying every day, and you will have a bright future. You're not going to school, not learning, and you will get failed in your examinations. Who is responsible here? Your teacher or you? You are the responsible. So our life also in our hands. You can change however you want. With your thoughts, with your efforts. So how to change? That's what we are learning every day. How to break our old pattern. How to break our old mind and to receive the new energy and into the new system. So I'm going to share my presentation, friends. Hope everybody can able to see. Yes. Thoughts and its journey. How thoughts are traveling. We are going to know. Okay. Thought excels light in speed. Light travels at the rate of 186,000 miles per second. Thoughts virtually travels in no time. Thoughts is finer than ether, the medium of electricity. See friends, the light or the sunlight or this light travels 186 miles per second. But thought no time, it's go very fast than light. For example, if I ask, you go into the America, you close your eyes, you will be in America now. Your thought there. You're accessing, you're going there. You're traveling with your thought. Faster than the light and more powerful. The ether of space registers thoughts. You can move the world through thought force. Thought has great power. It can be transmitted from one man to another man. The powerful thoughts of great sages and rishis are still recorded in Akashic records. Friends, thought can be transmitted from one person to another person. Like now you have telephone, now we have internet. We are communicating through this internet. We are communicating through telephone. Right? We are talking, whatever I'm talking, you are listening there. How? Through internet. Similarly, our thoughts can transmit one person to another person. They can access. Like you are thinking about somebody. Then suddenly they appears. Hey, I just want thinking about you. And you are here now. So you are sending your thoughts about that person. Or suddenly you want to talk with some person. You get the call from that person. You are saying that, hey, I just wanted to call you. I got call from you. So your thoughts travels and also transmit from one person to another. A thought is as much as solid as a piece of stone. We may cease to be, but our thoughts can never die. Friends, once you release the thought, that will be there in ether. Even you die, the thought is there. Even you come and take another lifetime, the thought is there. That's why after death, many people doing the prayers, many people doing some chantings for the soul. So what happens? Whatever you are releasing of bad thoughts or negative or positive, that will be there in ether. When you left this body, those thoughts haunting you. If you are good thoughts, you will be experiencing a good dimension, what you call heaven. If it is bad thoughts, you will be experiencing the hell with your thoughts. The thoughts attract you, that pull you back. So always have a positive thoughts, no negative thoughts, no hatred thoughts, no jealousy thoughts, no greedy thoughts, positive thoughts, helping others, doing some good work, selfless service. So these are good deeds and good thoughts will help you even after death. Thoughts are finer forces. A thought is a finer force. This is a supply to us by food. If the food is pure, thought also becomes pure. Friends, whatever we are eating, that we are. If your food is pure, then your thoughts also pure because you are receiving the information, energy from the food. He who has a pure thought speaks very powerful and produces deep impressions on the minds of the hearers by his speech. He influences thousands of persons through his pure thoughts. See, if you have a pure thoughts, a pure energy, everybody want to listen you. Okay? If you're always complaining, if you're always dominating, you're always forcing, then nobody want to listen to you. Nobody want to be with you. If you have a pure thought, okay, let me sit with him or she, he or she, listen some words. It is like something when you listen to music. If it is good, oh, you want to listen and more and more. Similarly, when the person is there with the pure thoughts, oh, I want to be with that person. I want to listen to him. I want to learn from him. With his presence, I'm very happy. So please have a pure thoughts. A pure thought is a sharper than the edge of a razor. Entertain always pure, sublime thoughts. Thought culture is an exact science. Whatever we are discussing now, this is a science that is called a spiritual science. But nobody thinks about that. Only we are thinking about our full shelter, all our physical things. But the only everything happening based on our internal system, the invisible things. Nobody can't see the thoughts. But these thoughts are our life. Nobody thinks, nobody spend some time about them, what I'm thinking, what I'm doing, what I'm searching. We're running behind for many things. At the end of the day, we are on the deathbed. We worried so much. We are thinking about, we will be thinking that, oh, I lost this. I couldn't do that. I was too much into the business or job, finance, money. I didn't spend with my family. I don't have any happiness now. So if you are thinking at the last minute, what you will get? Only the realization when you take the next birth, you will be trying to do better than previous lifetime. If you realize now, you will have so much time to live happy. You can correct now. Everybody is searching for happiness, but we will be struggling. We're going to struck somewhere, and we forget what really we are doing. Everybody want job. For why? For happiness. Everybody want money. For why? Happiness. Or everybody is happy while doing a job or business. Can able to spend time with family or can able to spend some time for them. That's we need to understand. We need to think, hey, what I'm doing. When your thoughts change, your life will be happy. Thoughts as wireless messages. Those who harbor thoughts of hatred, jealousy, revenge, and malice are verily very dangerous persons. If I have hatred, jealousy, greedy, I'm very, very bad person. What happens when you're sitting with a bad person? You get the bad. Their thoughts and feelings are like wireless messages broadcast in ether and are received by those whose minds respond to such vibration. See, if a person has a bad thoughts, a bad intentions, what happens? Those other people have a such intention, they receive this information, they receive these messages. Then like this, then expanding, everybody received this all bad thoughts, and it created a bad environment. So based on that, bad things happens. That's why many people say, many masters or gurus or sages, whoever, first to change yourself. Then the whole world will be changing. Change yourself. See the goodness in you. See the evil in you. Then you can find happiness everywhere. If you are a bad person, you're troubling to your family, you're troubling to your neighbor, you're troubling to your society, and you're troubling the whole nation. Because of your badness, so many people are troubling. You're giving trouble to everyone. If you are a good person, those your neighbors, they feel happy. Your society will be happy. Wow, what a good work he's doing. How good person he or she. So like this, our thoughts working, friends. Thought moves with a tremendous velocity. Those who entertain sublime and pious thoughts help others who are in their vicinity and at a distance also. Whoever your neighbors are it is very near to you or it's a long, it travels. You can send messages to anyone. I had many experiences. Before coming to meditation 12 years ago, I had many experiences. If I was thinking about someone, I just got immediate call. Or I may see on the roadside when I'm walking. Or whenever I'm something at home thinking, oh, today I want to eat some sweet or something. I like this, I feel to eat. Then suddenly my father brought that sweet. I didn't call him, I didn't tell him, but I got it. These are all small examples when I was in childhood, what I experienced and I observed. That happens for everyone. Everybody is same. You have to think. When you think about your thought power, you know how to use it. You don't know, you don't try to use for negative things, because the thoughts, whatever you give, that gift you receive. If it is happen, whatever I'm thinking, I wanted this, a sweet, I got it from my father without information. I didn't call and say anything. Similarly, if I'm thinking of bad things, that comes to me from different people, wherever you are. So be careful about your thoughts, friends. This is our life. Watch what kind of thoughts you are carrying. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss rest of things. So if you have any questions, you can raise your hands, friends. Any doubts? Doubts about your thoughts?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
My name is Sayyada Mariam.
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to ask you, you said very good. Can you understand Urdu?
हाँ, no जी.
ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं ये कह रही थी, जब हम अपनी थॉट्स को एक तरफ करने की कोशिश करते हैं, जो अभी आपने लेक्चर दिया, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा जो है ना डिस्टॉर्टेड हो जाती हैं, कभी इधर चली जाती है, कभी उधर चली जाती है. तो सही वे क्या है कि हम अपनी थॉट्स को एक जगह गैदर करें, और जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि किसी और के माइंड तक हम अपनी बात को पहुंचा सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें कितनी प्रैक्टिस करनी है या किस तरीके से हम करेंगे तो समझ में आएगा?
The only thing what we have to do is to silent our mind, first of all.
Okay.
So first, because we as so far we didn't do any training for our mind.
Okay.
So many thoughts comes, different kind of thoughts comes, past, future, different kind of thoughts comes. So what we need to do first to silent the mind. Then gradually the unwanted things go away from you. That everybody can experience just by practicing. Silent the mind. You find any way, any practice, try to silent your mind. So train your mind to be here. You are here now, be here.
Yes.
You are here at the office, be there. And you are doing some work, cooking, you be there. You are reading, be there. So whatever you are doing, be there. Then everything that comes to you. So you can able to manage easily. So your thoughts also adjusting.
Okay. If we are ये बहुत अच्छी बात आपने बताई है कि जिस काम में भी आप बैठे हुए हैं उसी को आप सोचें और उसी को आप करें, मगर अगर उसके दरमियान में भी आपका दिमाग डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा है तो उसको बार बार अपने उस काम की तरफ लाने के लिए ही तो सर मुश्किल हो रही है कि हम बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स में एकदम से हो जाते हैं कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा होता.
That's right. Keep away all your worries or problems for few minutes.
Okay.
Don't bring to here in this present moment. Keep away. Okay. That comes because we are thinking. That comes. So train your mind. This is not time to think about
Okay.
worries. This is a time to be here. You need to train. I cannot change your mind. If I change your mind and everybody mind, then everybody very good and living happy. Even
Yes.
if you God ready to change, he can change everybody. But why he not changing? Everybody has to change their own system. That's why we are here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
And you are doing a great, great job.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Yes. Yes, friends. Anybody would like to ask? Okay. Okay, friends. Now we'll do meditation. So meditation is the only way to take out all our unwanted things. Meditation is the purifier. That energy you have with your breath energy, then it purifies everything. Even whatever your thoughts also will get powerful for your manifestation. So you will be only thinking in right way because you are pure. You become pure. From the pureness, everything comes pure. Okay. So sit in a comfortable posture, friends. Make yourself comfortable. Cross your both hands fingers and cross your legs. Close your eyes. Forget about everything for a few minutes, friends. We don't want anything. 24 hours we are thinking about all our worries, all our challenges. So for some time, we're not going to think anything. We're not going to do anything. Even in our sleep, we are thinking. We have so many dreams. But now we're not going to think anything. We're not doing anything. Just here in this present moment. So I'm going to play the music. Along the music, I will be guiding friends. Please do not open your eyes in the middle of the meditation. Whatever happened, itchingness, pains, those are all in the healing process. If you open your eyes, that will go away. Again, you need to observe your breath and you have to start from the beginning. So try to be patient to sit in that same posture. We have to learn to sit first. So that is important for the meditation, friends. Sit in a comfortable posture, my dear friends. We're all connected each other. We are all one. Nothing is important for us now. We're all ready to go within. Just relax, my dear friends. Just observe your natural breathing. Your incoming and outgoing breath. If your breath is deeper and longer, let it be deeper and longer. If your breath is shorter and shallow, let it be shorter and shallow. Just witnessing the incoming and outgoing breath. Just feel the breath, how it is going inside and coming outside. Without any thought. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment. Just be with your breath, my dear friends. Don't entertain any thoughts. Just follow with your breath. Be with your breath, my dear friends. Every conscious breathing allows you to receive the abundant cosmic energy. Just be here for a few minutes with your breath. Travel with your breath. Make friendship with your breath. Your breath is your life. Your breath is your God. And your breath is everything. Be here with your breath, my dear friends. Last 1 minute. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, zero. Keep your both hands, fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Okay, friends. Today also we have done 30 minutes of meditation. And if you would like to share any of your experiences or any questions, you can start now. Any of your meditation doubts during the process. Thank you. Yes. Very relaxing and comfortable. Thank you. I felt as being showered in white light coming from the sky. Very good. Soothing. Amazing experience. Saw natural beauty today. Birds, waterfall, greenery, feel like I'm smiling. Wow. Wonderful experience. Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Friends, everyone be here on time. If it is 6, be here 6 o'clock. And so I request everyone to continue every day. It is not like 1 day off or 2 day off, coming and going, because your sincerity is most important. Your dedication for if you want a better results and transformation. So definitely you need to have a sincerity. So otherwise, no results. If you are on and off, our life will be on and off. So be sincere about you, not for me, sincere for you. Sincerity about you, how sincere you are. So try to practice. Nothing wrong to practice anytime. Whenever you feel comfortable, you do meditate. Okay. Really relaxing. Also heard as wind was blowing in the beginning. See, everybody have some powers. We can sense. We become sensitive. As we are increasing our energy, we can able to sense everything. We can smell, we can hear, we can see, we can listen. We can talk with other people in our meditation. Just being with your breath. Many benefits, many benefits. And this is no more to relate to any religion, friends. Just for your breath. We're all one. Only oneness. No separation. Your mind separate. You're Hindu, you're Muslim, you're Christian, this religion, that religion. We are all one in soul level. So please practice meditation and be here on time. So I'm planning to have another group, those who are coming regularly, because group energy is very important. People are coming and leaving, okay, from the group. That will not be good. So I will see 2 or 3 more days how many people are joining every day. So those who are joining will be having a separate group. Okay. So we'll see how many are regular. Okay, friends. Okay. Okay, fine. If any power issues, internet issues, that's okay. That's acceptable. So if you have a good intention to join on time, that's enough. If any natural objections that we can't do anything, if you have an intention, see, no need to prove anyone. If you have a good intention, that's enough for everything. You have a good intention to do anything, that's enough. Okay. Okay, friends, thank you very much and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.